Hey, everyone, welcome back. And today we've got a treat for you, a quick and easy carrot cake recipe that's not only delicious but also incredibly moist. If you're a fan of carrot cake, you're in for a real treat. So, let's dive right into it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this quick carrot cake. 2 cups grated carrots. 1 cup vegetable oil. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 cup brown sugar. 4 large eggs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, optional. Cream cheese frosting, store-bought or homemade. Now, let's get started with the instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour your cake pans. I'm using 2 9-inch round pans for this recipe. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the grated carrots, vegetable oil, granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well combined. Step 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. Step 4. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 5. If you're a fan of nuts in your carrot cake, fold in the chopped walnuts at this point. Step 6. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. Step 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 25-30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Once baked, allow the cakes to cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 9. Once the cakes are completely cooled, spread a layer of cream cheese frosting on top of one cake layer. Then place the second layer on top. Continue frosting the entire cake. And there you have it, a quick and easy carrot cake that's sure to impress. Whether it's for a special occasion or just a sweet treat, this recipe is a winner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!